I'm Hemapriya. On behalf of Sri Aurobindo Society, I welcome you all. In this video, I'm going to talk about New Age Experiential Innovative Ideas, which was compiled by ZIIEI Investment Innovation for Education Initiative, that is ZIIEI. So in this video, I'm going to talk about a zero investment idea, which was brought up from the state Dadra and Nagar. There was an innovative teacher who created an innovative case study called self-study. So we all know that self-learning or self-study is a very key skill, and that is a very basic skill that all children have to possess right from their childhood age. Because we could see that a lot of circumstances the students would be forcible to learn. You learn this, you write this. If you read this, you're going to get 60 or 70% in your academics. So there will be a forcible environment to study. But the thing is that a student should get the self-interest to learn something. That self-motivation or that self-interest should be taken out by the teacher. It's the teacher's responsibility. So there comes an innovative idea which is called picking up a slip and tell information. So this is like self-study. The thing is that very simple. The teacher would be giving a physical activity to all the students to get engaged in this self-study activity. The thing is that teacher will be discussing about a paragraph. Okay, it may be about in a chapter. Some lessons would be discussed about in the school. Then all those information would be read by all the students, questions and answers, everything. After studying for about 2 to 3 days about this topic, then all the students are requested to write the questions, what they have been learned, only the questions, not about the answers. The questions, all the students have to write a small question, and that should be, they have to fold it and they have to put it in a small box, cardboard box. So all questions, for example, 30 members in a class, so 30 questions are inside the box. Then every students have to pick up one question paper, one slip into it, and have to read the question and also the answer. Okay, so this is how these activities formed. So there are some students who really read the question and they will answer it. But there are some students who cannot answer those questions. So when the student is really unable to answer those questions, the question written by whom, okay, the student who would write that question, that student would be reading this answer. So this is how this activity will be this will be an activity where every student engages, every student will gather together and learn many information. So group learning, as well as initiating, taking the initiative and speaking ability, how they present whatever they know the answer, they are speaking it. So the presentation skill, all these small skills will be developed during this activity. So I think you can also implement these small innovative idea in your schools and in your classrooms. If you wanted to know more about our innovative ideas, you can subscribe to our channel called ZIIEI. If you're watching this video on the Facebook, make sure you like our page. Thank you so much.